type of AI dance videos are going viral on social media. A lot of people are using it to grow their subscribers and monetize their content on YouTube. Some persons are using it to grow their followers on Facebook, and some persons are using it to cash out on TikTok. This is the modern age of AI, and so many persons are using it to their advantage. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your own dance AI dance video and use it either for your personal use or for your social media accounts. And trust me, you can actually use this to grow your followers on Facebook or grow your subscribers on YouTube, get your content monetized, and begin to earn from it because it is currently going viral all over social media. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your own AI dance video, and it's entirely free of charge. You can do this using your Android phone or your iPhone with apps you can download from Play Store or from Apple Store. Entirely free of charge, 100% free of charge. So I will give you details step by step on how you can do this, and it's something you can do within minutes. You can create multiple videos within minutes, and you can use it to grow your channel on YouTube, grow your page on Facebook, TikTok, or other social media platforms. So let's go so I can show you. First thing you need to do is to go to your TikTok, open the TikTok and search for dance videos trending. Then you choose any one you like. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see different ones. But let's just choose this particular one. So what you need to do is just to pause and screenshot this. You screenshot the picture. Then you also download the video because you're going to need use the video to create your own dance video. Then you go to ChatGPT to create ChatGPT. You upload the picture. I've already done it. You upload the picture and said create a 3D cartoon picture of this image. You can add other prompts if you want. You can decide to customize the outfit by including your page name or your other things you want the image to wear. You can just include everything in the prompt. Well, I just decided to go by this simple create a 3D cartoon picture of this image. So we are going to wait for ChatGPT to create the image. So ChatGPT has actually created this image. I don't know what network is doing. It says image created. So I'm going to just tap on this and save the image right away because network is not allowing it to show. I'll save it and then show you from my gallery what it's created. It has saved. So this is exactly what ChatGPT, I saved it twice. This is exactly what ChatGPT generated. So this is the first step. The next is to head over to the app you're going to use to animate this image and make it to dance. Now I'm going to be showing you paid version and free version. The paid version is partly free for the first user for a couple of videos, but after a while you'll be asked to upgrade. I'll show you that first before the free version. So the paid version is called, this is the app Clink AI. So this particular app is, once you're registering for the first time, it will give you grace to generate up to 3 videos, after which you'll be asked to upgrade. So what you will do is to then you change it to motion control. Now you upload the image you want to animate. This is the image here. Then you upload your motion video, not exceed 30 seconds. If not, it will not be uploaded. So you allow it to upload. So once you upload the video, I don't know why it's taking so long to upload the video, maybe because of network. But once your video is uploaded, you click on this generate. It's showing me 80 points because I don't have any point now, so I cannot generate this because I've exhausted my free version. So once you're registering for the first time, you'll be given 3 videos or 2 or 3 videos to generate for free. After that, you have to buy credits or units, whatever it is called, for you to generate more videos. So this is the paid version. The next I'm going to show you is the free version. So for the free version, we'll be using uh, Vigor AI. I hope the name is correct. Vigor AI, VIGGLE. So this is free version, but not like free. You have like you'll be able to create like limited video per day, like say 6 or so per day. After which you wait for the next day, you generate another 6 video just like that. But to an extent is free. So what you do is to just click on this mix. Then when they say motion video, you upload your motion video. This is right, this one. You upload motion video. It has to be 30 seconds and above. Then you also upload your character image. This is our character image. Allow it to upload before. Once your motion video and your character image is uploaded, you click on this mix. You can also swap your character, but let's wait and see the magic. It will take like 1 minute to generate. Usually takes time, but if you want faster result, you have to upgrade. So you have to wait. So the video has generated. Look at what we got. I need to. So this is what video AI generated the video using the reference video we uploaded. So you can see the difference between this is the real video and the previous one was the cartoon character video. You can see there is no much difference. You can see just look the same. But if you notice, you will see that there is still some not as bright as the Clink AI if you have used Clink AI before, because this is free version. I mean, they expect them to give you 100% like a paid version. I believe if you upgrade, you will get 100% perfection of this video. You can see that I can actually generate this AI dance video using any reference video you can see from anywhere. And I can use it to grow your uh, online visibility either on Facebook or YouTube or any other social media platform. You can do this entirely free of charge using the simple steps I showed in this video. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to